Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with a 4x5 reversal film for jewelry commercial. Well, I have this main subject and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, as always. I'm gonna make something interesting, something impressive image from these two images. Now, let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna smudge this image, base image, so I'm gonna duplicate layer, then just keep on base, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on this layer, use smudge tool, evolve as always. Well, nice rings, smudged alright. Alright, I'm done for smudging all the jewelries, rings and earrings. Okay, now for background, now I will change this pencil drawing type image, change that to blend mode. Okay, it's normal now. Okay, go darker color. We're having so nice pencil drawing type image, so it's gonna show nice drawing. Linear burn, color burn. Overlay. Wow, that's cool. Shows nice colors and drawing type image too. Just to remember, soft light. Yeah, nice gold. Well, so far it's so impressive. And overlay, change to overlay opacity about 50. That's cool. Let's see others. The stones. I want to see the stones. Nicer color dodge. These stones are pretty cool. Pretty nice. Vivid light. Okay. Now pencil drawing type image. Overlay 50%. Touch lighter 55. I make it 50. That's fine. Okay, then select this, smudge the image. Now it's group. To fix this image as a one layer, make group, then duplicate this group and flatten this image. Two images, combine one image. Okay, one base image. This is it. Now just turn this off. Okay, let me change the image rename based on here. Smudge the image. Okay, pencil drawing type image. Now this is this image. So new layer I combined. Just leave it this one like so. Okay, now let's see about these stones. Let's see what the base image was. This is a little bit dark. Okay, now this pencil drawing type of image, I'm gonna duplicate, then bring this one up over the image, base image, new base image, then change the blend mode, vivid light. Well, bring back to max. density and hard mix, vivid, or color dodge. These are all same on stones. So let's see. Just leave it color dodge, and I'm gonna make mask. Then the invert mask. Now let's see. Change brush to, well, airbrushing group, medium hard blend. Now reveal this mask with white. Okay, about look for dark stones to lighten up. Okay, not much, just that you can see. Yeah, okay. Now this is cool. Okay, now what else I can do? Let's see. I'm gonna bring this pencil drawing type image, go up, then just darken pencil drawing type image, so it shows this pencil drawing type image so dark. Now, so I'm gonna tone down just about 760. Yeah. Then I'm gonna turn this. Well, let's see. I want to see the gold color. Let's see. I'm gonna move this smudged base. Then delete this new group. I don't need this anymore. Then just leave this smudged base. This is the base image. Now let me see. Change this. This layer 1 is overlay 50% combined to the smudged image. Change this normal to change to overlay max. Shows more gold. Turn to more gold. These are nice, interesting illustration type image, huh? More shows stones. Well, I just want to keep this. This is screen. Yeah, screen is more stones. Main image. Look at this color burn. That's pretty heavy. Yeah, I kind of like this one too. Just such a dramatic image compared to this screen. Kind of light image on screen. Well, I can use. I can make a couple different variations. Well, let's see. This is new base image. Yeah, I like that. I like this illustration type image. Now I want to finish up this. Okay, why don't I make the one image, huh? Selected this old image, 2, 4, 5 layers, make group, duplicate this group, then flatten this group. So we got this image, one illustration image. I'm going to rename illustration 1. Just leave it this, then turn it off. Now about this group, the base image of overlay 50% combined with smudged image. Change the blend mode, color burn. Opacity about more dramatic, 65, maybe go up to 70. Yeah. Now, again, duplicate layers, then flatten one. So now I'm going to rename illustration 2. Yeah. One is real light illustration type image. Second one I just made is more dramatic color wise. Just keep it, then turn it off. Now we got again, well, about this image, change the blend mode on this base image. When you go back to normal, shows back the base. Just leave the smudge image off. Now let me see. I'm gonna move this smudged image outside of the group, then turn it off to keep it. Now we just turn it off to group image, this image. Now compare, this is a normal image, this one is I smudged, so not much difference instead of just smudged. Only that's the difference. Okay, just turn it off to keep it. Then I see this image now. Now what I can do from here, well, maybe let's see, we got the illustration 1, this image, illustration 2 for dark image. Okay, I'm gonna add layer instead of making mask on this base image all the way top. I'm gonna add layer, then I'm gonna fill in white, then make mask. Now hide with black. Let's see, brush, use material, some kind of slate texture, glover. Let's see. Yeah, very nice. This glover texture goes well to this kind of slate base image. Well, this is a mask. Now leave this mask on. Then when you turn this one off, illustration 1, we see the dark one, but doesn't go with, well, the base image is pretty dark image, and I'm going to turn this one off, illustration 2, then we have this image now, group base image. Pretty much this is okay too. Let's see again, illustration 1 image is light, more pencil drawing type is looking good, but this is okay now. Well, from this, well, this mask is one of the variations. Okay, I'm gonna make another variation for background. Let's see, keep this, then again I'm gonna add layer. Okay, now layer 12, filling white again, then make mask. Then let's see the brush again. Now, well, use drawing to evolve same kind of texture. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty light image still. Okay, I'm gonna leave this new mask. Now let's see about this illustration 2, which is dark image, right? More dramatic colors. I'm gonna bring this one go up, dramatic color, then make mask. Turn on this image, then invert this mask. Now we got the real dark image on this here. Now I'm gonna change the brush, airbrushing group to soft brush. Let's see what's gonna happen, what it looks like. Okay, this is it for dramatic colors, this much. Then I'm gonna add another layer over this. Then just touch paint some colors. Let's see, this Oberon. Then change layer mode to color, blend mode to color. Won't show much, huh? That's fine. Now goes to amber color on this color layer, blend mode color layer, resize. Well, what do you think? I guess that's it for today. And well, let me explain about these layers. I just last add this layer for color, which shows real subtle blue or reddish and green type colors. Change the blend mode to color so it shows so subtle, soft. Then layer mask, second one, this one is illustration 2, which is dark image, more dramatic. As a variation I made, this is one. Well, just hide this color. This is the second illustration I made, pretty dramatic color. Then I'm gonna make mask this much. I'm using it from that, and I'm not using that illustration one image, just leave it. I keep it, save it as a one illustration one and illustration two as it is, and these masks, well, it's not that big difference. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Now we have this mask, just one mask, add color. Then I just keep the smudge image and the base image. Well, this is the result for today's work. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and well, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a nice day, nice creative days, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.